Hey everyone! Today, we're sharing 10 life hacks to organize your room in just 5 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. 10 life hacks. How to organize your room in 5 minutes. Hack no. 1. The timer challenge. Set a timer for 5 minutes. It adds urgency and makes tidying up a game. Ready, set, go. Setting a timer on a phone. Hack no. 2. Clear surfaces first. Start with clearing off surfaces. Tables, desks, and nightstands. A clean surface makes a big difference. Clearing items from a desk. Hack no. 3. The basket method. Use a basket to gather items that don't belong. Sort them later. This keeps the room tidy quickly. Tossing random items into a basket. Hack no. 4. Quick bed makeover. Make your bed. It instantly makes the room look more organized. Plus, it's a good habit, quickly making a bed. Hack no. 5. Use drawer dividers. Drawer dividers are lifesavers. They keep small items in place. No more searching for lost socks. Installing dividers in a drawer. Hack no. 6. Hang up clothes. Hang up any clothes lying around. It frees up space and reduces clutter instantly. Hanging clothes in a closet. Hack no. 7. Organize cords. Use clips or ties to organize cords. Tangle free and tidy. Tying up cords with a clip. Hack no. 8. Use bins and baskets. Store items in bins and baskets. They're perfect for keeping things together and out of sight. Placing items in labeled bins. Hack no. 9. Declutter daily. Spend just a few minutes each day decluttering. It keeps your room organized without overwhelming you. Quickly picking up items and putting them away. Hack no. 10. After 5 minutes, reward yourself. A tidy room and a happy you. Relaxing in a clean room, clean, organized room. And there you have it, 10 life hacks to organize your room in just 5 minutes. Try them out and let us know how they work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Subscribe and watch more videos.